So we've learned now what each of the months in the year is called. So what month are we in now, Chris?
We're in November now.
Spot on. So what do you think is the next month after November?
I can remember that from the song. The next month after November is December.
That's exactly right. And I like December because December is when Christmas happens, and that's one of my favourite times of the year. So we've learned that there are 12 months in the year, and then the months start all over again in the next year, and they always happen in the same order. When we learnt about the days of the week, we wrote out a planner, do you remember? And we can do that with the months of the year as well. When we put all of the months of the year together, either on a piece of paper or perhaps in a phone or on a computer, it's called a calendar. You can write things on the calendar to help you remember them. Important things, like your birthday. This is the calendar that I have on my computer. Can you see it? And I can make notes on that so that I can always check what I should be doing. I think we should try and make a calendar. What do you think?
I think that's a great idea.
Good. And write some things on it that we want to remember. Usually, a calendar would have all of the days in each month in it, just like on my iPad. But our calendar is just going to have the months on it. Instead of writing out all of the names of the months, which I think would take quite a long time, should we just write the first letter? But we'll say the name of each month as we work. And we'll write down both the capital letter and the common letter at the start of the words for the months. Okay, off you go.
Right,
Chris.
let's go. So we'll draw a table. So we're going to have 12 spaces. 2, you have to be careful and count the right number, so you've got one row for each month. Have to try and space them all out nicely. Right, there we are. Then we'll do a side down there. We'll do a side down there. And then we'll make a special place to write the letters of each month. Now, what was the first month? The first month was January. And that begins with a J. So we'll write a capital J. We'll do all the capitals first. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. See, I missed the bottom row off. We've got to write one more row on the bottom. Left a bit of space. December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now we'll write the letters next to them with common letters. So we've got J, F, M, A, M again, J again, J again, A, S, O, N, and D. So we always start the month with the capital letter, but we've written the common letter alongside so we can see what they're like. Now,
What are you going to write on your calendar? What things do you want to remember?
I'm going to write something I have to remember every year. I'm going to write your birthday on to start with.
Good
Now, your
job.
birthday is in March, so we'll write Claire's birthday. And we'll draw a picture of a cake because then I'll know what it's all about. See, some candles on there. Right, what else shall we write on? Now I know what I'm going to write on so that Claire doesn't forget. We're going to write in June, January, February, March, April, May, June, Chris's birthday.
Very good.
I'm going to do an even bigger cake
Oh, that's not fair.
with candles on top. That's great. And then the last month of the year is December. And can you remember why Claire said she thinks this is her favourite month? Because it's
Christmas.
Christmas. See, it's got a little bit of my name
What are
in
you
it at
going
the
to
beginning.
draw for Christmas?
I'm going to draw a Christmas tree.
Yay.
There's some candles on it. And a star on the top. There we are, Christmas.
Brilliant. Well done. Now then, children, can you have a go at doing that? So you need to draw out 12 different rows, write the letters of the months down the side, and put on your calendar some of the things that you want to remember every year.